Okay, we're in. Let's go. Let's go have a good day.
Yep.
Gianna really likes these. Coffee makes me nicer. You like that?
Yes, it does.
I think this one is the one.
Oh, isn't it good? They missed out by not having an extra O in there. I like it.
I really like these. So it looks like the train has valleyed. The flash train sitting in the middle. Alright, we haven't done much videoing today just because we've been having more of a chill day. We haven't had just a me and her day coming to the park in a while. We kind of need that a little bit too. So right now we're going to go check out the construction, kind of the pier, see what's going on with the coasters. Yesterday people were riding on the Nebulous. I think it was Park President Mike Finau. Alright, and as I was saying, the Nebulous is running and people are on it right now. Oh, let's watch this real quick.
Surprise!
There's someone on. She's very lucky. There it goes. So pretty cool. They are testing on a Sunday, which Gianna and I were saying that there's no shot that that's going to happen because we thought it was only happening like kind of Monday through Saturday, but clearly they are putting a lot of work into it. Kind of hard to see, but the shark is down there. I'll see if I can zoom in digitally, but I don't think it's going to be very clear. One thing Gianna and I were saying is this angle from Superman, once the coaster is built, is going to look amazing. They're doing such a good job with the look of this pier. And you can see some of the work being done on this side of the fences. So you can see the fence here, pier is over here. And looks like they moved some type of drink thing over. Gianna and I are particularly excited about the swings. Like, that's gonna be fun. We don't like the super tall swings.
This is a little too scary, but I do love a good swing.
They are just so much fun. When it's not so scary, you're like 200 feet in the air or like 100 feet in the air, you know.
It's just a nice, fun, chill ride.
Yeah, exactly. Good flat ride. Project Purple as well, coming together. My God, look at the vertical launch. Oh my God.
Seeing that from the top of El Toro made it look even scarier.
I know, that was crazy.
Because it's kind of getting to the same height.
Live coverage from the parking lot. Look at this vertical launch spike. I don't know what you would call it right now, but whew, that is going to be intimidating. The skyline looks really cool. Barrels of fun there. One thing we learned during the media event was that this was called Project Skyline, not Project Purple. That was only kind of coined, I don't know, apparently like social media content creators. The park called it Project Skyline, and One thing for sure is the skyline is really looking good with this. They have put the sign in too. Look how amazing that is. They did a great job with that sign. Alright, Gianna and I are about to get out of here, but they are actively working on their wave runner. Let's go. Alright, so it is 5:45 right now. We've done a ton of rides.
Andy just got Best but West,
Yep.
and we forgot to get a video of it.
Yeah, it was very good though. I got the chicken tenders. Last time I ate there, I got the pulled pork, which is also so good. All the food comes with a piece of cornbread and tater tots. Like, it is actually amazing. One thing though is, Block Plume is open, as you can see. This girl doesn't want to ever do it.
Okay.
So next time we're doing it. Next time we're doing it.
I will bring my Crocs because I
and
don't
we gotta
want...
do the river rapid if we're doing Block Plume.
Yes.
We just have to. So.
I just don't want soggy shoes. It's the end of the day. They're not gonna dry on the way home.
So blame her. Alright, and that's going to do it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed. Got a little look at the construction that's happening. So much is going on at this park. Construction at the coaster, construction at the boardwalk.
Got to see the Hypno Twister running with people
Yeah,
on it.
that was cool. I wish we were in.
Me too.
Overall, super solid day. Ride-outs were a little rough. Like, kind of everything went down at one point today. Like, it was a little rough, everything that we were trying to hit. But in the end, we rode everything, and all the rides were amazing. Like, every ride is running great. It's just, not everything is two trains, like Toro and everything, which Toro needs that second train on it. But other than that, it's running amazing. Got to meet a few people. Shout out to Feel the Air. Huge inspiration for us starting the channel. So shout out to you guys seeing me here. And also shout out to, I think, Ryan Friend is how you pronounce it. He's ridden El Toro over 3,100. I think it was the 95th time that we got on with him when we did it. So just that was really cool. Shout out to him. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. This has been Andy.
And Gianna.
We'll catch you guys next time. See ya.